Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever wanted to know which artists are dominating your Spotify playlist, or you are just curious about your top artists, today's video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to see your top artists on Spotify in 2025 right from your Android device. Before we get started, make sure that you have the latest version of your Spotify app on your device. Open up your Spotify app. Once you are in the app, go ahead and tap on your home screen at the bottom left corner of your Spotify app. This will take you to the main feed. Now to see your top artist, it's not immediately visible on the home screen. So let's head over to your library section. Just tap on the library icon at the bottom of your screen. In your library, you'll see various sections like playlist, album, artist. Since we want to focus on your top artists, tap on the artist tab. Here you'll see the list of all the artists you have listened to the most. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, make sure to hit on that like, share and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos.